Oh, so let me share this with you. Here's a mystery, and I need your help. I need the help of FranLab viewers like you. I need your help to solve a mystery. This is weird. So I got an email from YouTube saying that they'd given me my breakdown assessment of the year in review. So it started out like this, year in review. It said, you started your channel in 2009, which means you've been a creator for at least 6,071 days. Wow, okay. You replied to 1,174 comments just this year, and we're not even done the year yet, so it's not even like the full year. 1,174 comments. Every now and then I get commenters who say, Fran never replies to comments, never, and never thanks any of her supporters, unsubscribed. Yeah, 1,100 plus comment replies, so yes, 1,100 means nothing. That's none, right? That's how the math works. Well, my top video of the year was the launch of the Apollo 11 in real time, which I didn't even put up this year. Yeah, 188,000 views. What? Yeah, okay, so that's just barely number one. Okay, so most of my viewers are between the ages of 55 and 64, 65 plus, and 45 to 54. Well, so 45 to infinity. And my most popular days are Sunday, Monday, and Wednesday. So there you go. Well, I should look at my subscriber demographics, so I popped up that. So I pulled up this. This is my subscribers status over the year. Well, this is 12 months, so it starts December 2024 on the left. Got that big spike there in February. That was my video I made about Enemy of the State. And then pretty much like blah, 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 blah across the board. And then on the far right there, it's like, what? What's that? This is the blip that happened December 1st. It says here that on December 1st, I suddenly got 337 subscribers. And then on December 2nd, I had minus 470 subscribers. Like what? I literally didn't do anything. The only thing that I did on the 2nd, where I lost those 470 subscribers, this is the post that I put up. If you ever get the chance to touch a meteorite, it's the meteorite post. Now, it did have 715 thumbs up, but did this post make me lose 470 subscribers? I don't know. That's kind of weird. So I went to Google and I asked Google what was going on, FranLab December 1st, 2025, and Google AI said that on December 1st, 2025, several events related to Bicep FranLab Asia and FranLab occurred, primarily centered on the energy sector. So it turns out that there's this Indonesian oil and gas company that has the word FranLab in it, and they did something on the 1st. But it also had this thing here where it says, there was an active push on social media to watch Fran's videos and support her work on Patreon. You can find her, blah, blah, blah. Well, it wasn't me. It wasn't me at all. I didn't do it. But, yeah, it's a total mystery. But yeah, is anybody plugged into Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all that stuff? Did anybody see anything related to me, or anybody like posting stuff on my behalf, or someone posing as me? Obviously, I mean, that many subscribers, you know, the swing of like 700, 800 people, that's a lot. That's not like your typical, you know, technological glitch. Because sometimes, every now and then, sometimes YouTube clears house and like adjusts and stuff. And if I saw like a negative subscriber peak on one day, I would say, well, that's because YouTube must have gone through and cleared out fake accounts or something. But to have that jump up and then the jump down like this makes no sense. And it's only in 24 hours. So the 1st to the 2nd and then back to where it was. It's just weird. It's just really, really weird. So I got no clue. Total mystery. But if you've got any info, post it, make a comment. Let me know. If you got any links or screenshots or anything, send me an email and tell me about what you saw. Yeah, it's big enough I'd like to find out what the hell happened on the 1st. What happened? Could be a data syncing issue. like I said, never seen anything like that in my analytics before. And I didn't hear anything. There wasn't anything from the other YouTubers about some weird thing with subscribers. It's pretty significant, pretty significant. But anyway, think about it. If anybody does their own kind of investigation, maybe find some post somewhere. I mean, I thought that the way it looked with the spike is that maybe some influencer made some thing where they talked about me or someone posted a link or something. And that would explain the bump, but the big negative one, it's like, wow, did somebody trash talk me successfully? Because it kind of sounds like somebody would like make a successful takedown video that got people to unsubscribe, something like that. Big mystery, big mystery.
In the lab. That's where I work. In the lab. Go berserk. In my lab. That's where I work.